Hey everyone, welcome back. Time to say hello to Pico Mac Nano, a remarkably small yet fully operational Macintosh Replica designed by One Bit Rainbow, a site known for offering parts for vintage Apple hardware. Housed in a miniature 3D printed case modeled after the original Macintosh 128K, Pico Mac Nano is powered by a Raspberry Pi Pico microcontroller and features 2-inch LCD display. Despite its size, it's more than just a display piece. It runs an emulated version of the classic macOS and supports USB input, thanks to an included USB splitter cable for connecting a keyboard and mouse. Priced at $76, the Pico Mac Nano quickly sold out after gaining traction on tech blogs. However, One Bit Rainbow says more units will be available soon, and interested buyers can sign up for restock notifications. It's worth pointing out that for DIY enthusiasts, the project is open source. The code and 3D printable case files are freely available on GitHub, so you can even build one yourself.